Right now, at the end of your driveway, there's a complete written record of everything inside your house. What you bought this month, what medications your family takes, what you're storing, what you upgraded, what you're worth. You didn't write it on purpose. You wheeled it to the curb and stopped thinking about it the moment you let go of the handle. It sits there for hours on a public street, and anyone who slows their car can read it. You think your supplies are hidden behind a locked door. The receipt for them is in the bin. Here's the flaw in how your brain works. The moment something becomes trash, it becomes invisible to you. Gone. Handled. You'd never leave your pantry open to the street, but you'll set the evidence of that pantry on the curb every single week without a second thought. Your house has two faces, the one you curate and the one you throw away. Only one of them tells the truth. There are 5 tells in your trash, and I'm ranking them from weakest to worst, because the weak ones are merely interesting, and the worst one is a targeting system. Tell number 2 is probably sitting on your curb right now. But tell number 1 is the reason this video exists. It isn't an item. You can't bag it, shred it, or hide it. And by the time you understand what it is, it's already been leaking for months. And if you're thinking, I'm fine, I use opaque bags, hold that thought. The worst reads never need to see inside a bag at all. Miss one of these, and you're a curiosity. Miss all 5, and you're a mapped, ranked, remembered target, before anything has even gone wrong. I'm the fox who turns chaos into contingency plans. This isn't paranoia, it's housekeeping. Subscribe, and let's read your curb the way a stranger does. This isn't theory. In 1973, archaeologists at the University of Arizona started something called the Garbage Project. Decades spent scientifically auditing household trash. Their landmark finding: garbage reveals what people actually buy, eat, drink, and hide more accurately than what those same people say in interviews. People lie. Trash doesn't. And the people who exploit that aren't hypothetical either. Every January, police departments across the country issue the same warning. Break down the boxes from your expensive gifts, because burglars cruise neighborhoods after the holidays reading curbs. A TV box at the curb is an advertisement for the TV inside. That's not collapse fiction. That's a crime prevention bulletin. Now apply that same audit to a prepared household. Here are the 5 tells, worst for last. Tell 5, the preservation signal. The weakest one, but it's real. Used canning lids, old jar waste, and the quiet oddity of what's missing. A household with almost no takeout containers, no frozen dinner boxes, no normal grocery churn, but plenty of produce scraps and jar seals. Reads as a house that cooks from storage. A stranger can't prove anything from it, but a pattern reader doesn't need proof. On its own, a hint, nothing more. But hints stack, and the next tell doesn't hint. Tell 4, the prepper packaging. Mylar liner scraps, the tear strips off oxygen absorbers, desiccant packets, food bucket seals. Understand what makes these different. This is packaging that exists only around long-term food storage. There is no innocent explanation for an oxygen absorber wrapper. A normal house never produces this waste, so a single scrap of it says deep pantry louder than 100 canning lids. It doesn't say how much you have. It says you're the kind of house that has it. That tells a reader what you own. The next tell shows them who you are. Tell 3, the medical file. Prescription labels with your name, your dosage, your condition. Blister packs, medical supply packaging. This one is being read today. Pharmacy labels in the trash are a known route to identity theft, and certain medications make a house worth burglarizing this week, not after a collapse. In a crisis, it gets darker. Your trash announces who in the house is vulnerable and what they can't live without. You threw away a target profile with a name printed on it. Items, so far. Items can be managed. This next one is the tell the police actually write bulletins about. Tell 2, the boxes. The generator carton, the gun safe box, the solar panel packaging, the water filter box, the big ticket haul flattened and leaned against the bin because it wouldn't fit inside. 1 box equals 1 sentence, readable at driving speed. This house contains this exact item. No inference needed, no bag opened. It's the most documented tell there is. And preppers are worse off than Christmas shoppers because our boxes don't say nice TV. They say this house is ready for the thing you're afraid of. And this is where I bag everything dies. Bags were never the question. The preservation signal is about what's missing. The boxes sit beside the bin. And the worst tell of all doesn't live inside your trash, because the worst tell is your trash. Stop. Everything I've shown you so far, you could fix tonight with a shredder and a box cutter. Tell number 1 is different, and it's the whole reason I made this video. It's the threat this channel exists to find, the one hiding behind the obvious ones. Subscribe, because once you see it, you can't unsee it. Tell 1, the pattern, not any object, the rhythm. How much your household throws away, how often, and how that compares to every other house on the street. The weekly bulk haul cadence, the delivery box volume, the bin that's always full. And here's its final form, the version that matters when things go wrong. 3 weeks into a real shortage, when every bin on the street is going out light, yours is still full, still heavy, still regular. Your trash isn't telling anyone what you bought anymore. It's telling them you're still eating the one fact that matters, broadcast weekly at the curb. Now the part that changes the stakes. The audit isn't coming. The audit already happened. Your curb has been publishing this record every week, for years, to the same audience, the neighbors, the dog walkers, the same slow cars. Think about how many trash days you've had since you started preparing. 50? 100? Every one of them was an addition. The generator box was 1 week's headline. The bucket seals were another's. Nobody has to case your house when the crisis starts. They cased it passively, for free, without meaning to, and they don't even know they know. Memory is the database. The question was never, will someone go through my trash? It's, who has already read the summary. So here's the honest picture and the fix. You can't delete the history. Months of curb record are already out there, and no protocol reaches into your neighbor's memories. And no, you don't need to panic over a yogurt cup. The goal is simpler. From this week forward, stop broadcasting. 3 moves. 1. The box protocol. Every high-value carton gets broken down, turned inside out, and staggered across multiple weeks. Or skipped entirely. Generator, safe, and solar boxes go straight to a recycling drop-off across town. Never at the curb, never whole. This is the exact move police recommend. It costs you nothing. 2. Shred the file. A basic shredder kills the medical tell and the identity tell in one motion. Prescription labels, names, account numbers, nothing with a name leaves your house readable. While you're at it, the prepper packaging, mylar, absorber strips, bucket seals, never goes in the curb bin at all. 3. Normalize the rhythm. Boring, constant, average. Opaque bags, same count as your street, nothing leaning beside the bin. And decide now what your crisis rule is. When everyone's bins go light, yours goes light too, no matter what's actually happening in your kitchen. Your waste stream should look like everyone else's, every week, forever. Do those 3 and your curb goes quiet, an average house, in an average week, with nothing worth remembering. Because the garbage project needed a university and 20 years to read a city's trash. Your neighbors only need a trash day. Tonight, before the truck comes, walk to your own curb and read it like a stranger. Then tell me in the comments what your bin was saying. I'll bet at least one of the 5 is out there right now. And subscribe, because the houses that get remembered aren't the ones with the most supplies. They're the ones that kept announcing them. The fox leaves nothing to read. Stay sharp.